Hey, you guys. Man, you wouldn't believe what I did. Okay, now, you all know that ever since March, I have not gone to the salon to get my hair relaxed. So, it's becoming natural now, okay? And so, all the money that I've saved for that, this is what I decided to do. And Sephora had a VIB sale, okay? And so it was something I wanted to try for a long, long time. And I just broke down. I was saving money anyway. So guess what I got? Guess what I got? Check this out. Look. Yay. Uh-oh, upside down. Yay. I got the Dyson Supersonic Fast Drying, no extreme heat blow dryer. I've been wanting one of these for years. Now, I've gone on the internet and I've read up on it and got information. So I don't know how it's gonna work. The blow dryer I use, I really like it. So I'm told that this will cut down the length of time when you're blow drying your hair. Okay, so we're gonna see. So I thank Sephora for this, and I'm glad this particular product was on sale. Okay, yeah, it was a sale, but still pretty steep, okay? But anyway, I wanted to, I just took it out of the box earlier this morning, and I am gonna go ahead and, let me just go ahead and open this, because I have not opened it to see what it looks like. So let me go ahead and do this. This was a huge purchase. Yes, but that's okay. I am worth it, right? All right, here goes. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, oh, it is closed in pretty well. I should have got some scissors here to help me along the way with this. Let me see if my nails will be able to go, because I just cut the nails last night. So let's see if I can open this thing without getting up, going to get scissors. Okay, let me give that a try. I don't know. Check this out. All kinds of corners up in here. But let me give it a try, and we'll see. And I might have something on my shelf, maybe. No, nothing. Oh, you guys, it looks like I'm gonna have to break this and come right back. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I am back. Handy dandy scissors, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this so we can see the product in here, and also hope it is well worth it. Good thing about Sephora, if things don't work as you would like, I don't care how long you've had it. At least up to I think a year, you can return it. So let's see how this, okay, let's see how it looks. Man, this is tugged away real well in here. All right, oh, here it goes. Ooh, wow. Check this out. Y'all see this? Check this out. All of this is in here. Technically, I have never used a diffuser, but my daughter said this probably won't be a good time right now, so I'll let her try it first. Her hair is all natural. I'm going through a transition, so I'm gonna wait on this. But anyways, here it is, you guys. This is what I've been wanting for a long time. Okay, you see okay, you got two of these, two different size right here. Now, I am so used to using a comb with my hair dryer, and I can purchase one. Check this out. Oh gosh, love the style, of course. And this is supposed to be a special edition one, so it came with a brush, and it came with a comb. Okay, so wow, this is my Dyson. And let me tell you, I just know a little bit about Dyson. One thing I do know, for years I have, had different, vacuum cleaners. When you hear Dyson, you kind of think of vacuum cleaners. And once I got my Dyson vacuum cleaner, it's been a few years ago now. Oh my gosh, I will probably never go back. Ever. I love it. It works so well. Yes, so if this is any indication of how well that vacuum cleaner works, I am going to be in good shape. Okay, here, the special edition came with a brush, this brush right here, and a comb right here, okay? And a little bit later, I am going to order the comb that you can add to the dryer. It did not come with it, so I'm going to add that to my little collection later. And guess what, you guys? Once I try this, I am gonna let you know. I am just so excited. I'm gonna let you know if it works any better, a lot better. I am going to do a comparison and to see if this $300+ was worth it. So so we'll see. So anyway, you guys, I am so excited. This is a dryer that I've been looking forward to trying for years. And I am glad that Sephora did have their VIB sale. They have it about once, maybe twice a year. And like I said, since I have not been going to the salon, spending my money, I just use that to buy this, okay? So it's kind of like a trade-off, but we're gonna see how it works, all right? I will let you know. I'm excited. I can't wait to give it a try. And once again, my hair is transitioning. It is about right to here. Rest of it is kind of relaxed. Matter of fact, I think it's a little bit longer than that. The rest is kind of relaxed, and I've been trimming it along the way. So we're gonna see how this works, and I will get back to you. I am excited. Okay, you guys, see you next time. Bye-bye.